very simple, nothing worried about this. Just like a formula. A linear charge distribution. This is known as the first type, linear charge distribution, or somebody it is called density, also known as density. The symbol is lambda and this is the L and the charge is Q. Suppose that, then Q by L, and this is the unit coulomb per meter. Similarly, surface charge density. Surface charge, I am writing here in short form. Charge density means sigma. Sigma is equal to Q by L and unit is, and if you want to understand by the diagram, then this one is the Q and the area A, and simply Q is charge and A is area. You divide charge by the area, it becomes surface charge density. Volumetric charge density. Volumetric charge density. Our purpose to introduce all topics for the solving of numericals from the different books. Okay? Volumetric means gamma. Gamma means charge by volume. Unit is coulomb per meter cube. And the diagram, just like you draw a cube, and this is the positive charge Q and volume is V. Then the gamma is Q by V, volumetric charge distribution. This is over. And the concept, quark concept. What is the quark? The concept of quark. You can pause the video and write all this topic. Don't worry, that's why I am too fast, because this is the formula. Quark concept. Quark. You can understand by the stopping, pausing the video and understand, then you go ahead. Quark. Quark is the more fundamental charge particle. More fundamental charge particle. This is very important. And there are two types of up and down. Up quark and down quark. Up quark and down quark. More fundamental means electron. E is fundamental. E is fundamental. Or quark is more fundamental. E means 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Don't worry. Down up quark is written as U and down quark is D. And U is equal to 2E by 3 and down quark is minus E by 3. Now, I know you are thinking in previous concept, electron never be in fraction, but here is in fraction, E by 3. Don't worry. This is more fundamental. When E is fundamental, then the fraction is not possible. But suppose that the size of lemon is this and the size of lemon is this. Then if you want to buy lemon from the market, this is also lemon, this is also lemon. Then you want to try to buy lemon from the market, then this one is also whole piece sold by seller and this one is also whole piece sold by the seller. Then quantization means either the multiple of this lemon or multiple of this lemon. Don't worry. It means suppose that it is E dash or this is the E. Means E dash is E by 3. Okay. Then quantization formula becomes E dash. And E dash is the what? E by 3. E by 3 is the 1.6 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It becomes also quantized, this one. And now the amount of charge is integral multiple of E dash. Quantized. Q is amount of charge is integral multiple of E dash. Don't worry. Okay. Then after the introducing quark, electron is equivalent to 3 down quark. Means electron means minus E by 3, minus E by 3, minus E by 3, minus 3 by 3 matlab minus E means electron. Electron is equivalent to triple D. And UUD or the DTU. UUD proton, just you write it. Proton means 2E by 3 plus 2E by 3 minus E by 3. It becomes E. 2 to 4 minus 1 3, 3 by 3 1 E. And this is the neutron. This question is given in additional exercise of NCERT. That's why I am discussing here. DDU means minus E by 3 minus E by 3 plus 2 E by 3, and that's why it is 0, neutral charge. Then electron is equivalent to triple D, proton is equivalent to UUD, and neutron is equivalent to DDU. Means you may consider electron is made up of 3 down quark, proton is made up of 2 up quark and 1 down quark, and neutron is made up of 2 down quark and 1 up quark. This is also finished. And now the time to numericals, to solve the numericals. In this chapter 1 of chemically, there are so many questions are given, and 4 or 5 questions I send on WhatsApp group, and few questions, and which is given in also in NCERT. How amount of charge or quantity of charge can be calculated? Just for example of numericals. Example of numericals is, first example, suppose that H2O water, molecular mass is 2 plus 16 means 18 gram. In NCERT it is given in 1 cup of water, how many electrons, protons or amount of charge. If you want to calculate, 1 cup of water means approximate 200 gram water, 250 also, 180 also in your supposition, just 200 gram. Then first of all, calculate the number of mole. First of all, we want to number of mole. As you know, the weight of given weight in gram, this is the given weight by molecular weight in also gram. Given weight means 200 gram and by 18 gram. I consider approximate 10 for simplicity. This is not, suppose that you consider 180 gram, then also here 180, then 10, number of mole 10. Then number of molecule becomes 10 into Avogadro's number. As you know, 6.023 or 10 to the power what? 23. This is the Avogadro's number. The 6.023 10 to the power 24. What? Number of molecules. Now how many number of molecules? This. Then in one molecule, the number of electron is hydrogen 2 or oxygen 8. It becomes 10. The number of electrons or number of protons both are 10. And the number of electrons is the net number of total number of electrons in 180 gram of water is equal to 6.023 10 to the power 24 into 10. It means 6.023 10 to the power 25 electrons. This is the electrons. But if you want to the charge, you want to find the charge, then you can multiply this number by the value of E, and you can easily calculate the amount of charge on the E. This is very so simple. If you want to, in M question, last question, copper is given or iron is given. In M few questions has different values of answer, and don't worry, just you follow the good steps or right steps and don't think about the correct answer. Okay, then this is the last question. This type of questions is also given in NCERT book and in M and SC Burma also provided so many questions. And I hope you understand the whole topic charge, and if you have any query, any question, then send me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you very much.